Nana Kwame Asenso, and you're welcome to Ghanavlogs in collaboration with Vibe Media. And today, we're here to unbox the GoPro Hero 11. Guys, this is the #1 action camera in the world, guys. I'm so amazed to do this with our official Nana Kwame. My name is in the house to do this with me, guys.
Thank you, namesake. Today we have GoPro 11 Hero to unbox. Guys, this camera, you need to get one. It's amazing. Quality picture, quality audio. Come with us. Let's go through there.
Alright, so let's do this, guys.
Once again, this GoPro 11 Hero, and we're going to unbox it now. It comes with the box, and
I think I love the package.
yes, it's nice. You need to get one. Comes, you open it.
Okay.
Let's unbox it.
Wow.
Yeah,
So it has another package in the box.
exactly. Safety purposes.
Okay.
Because this, when it's in this one, when it falls down, nothing is going to happen to the solid package. You can trust GoPro 11 for this one.
Wow.
Yeah. So we are unboxing it. You see the box?
This is very neatly packaged.
Solid. Nice, neatly packaged box. So when you open the box, you have your GoPro camera inside.
Okay. So this is what? This is like a mini.
Exactly, the manual that comes with it. Kind of a guarantee card comes with
so
it.
Your camera must be updated before
Exactly.
you use it.
Exactly, so solid. So in your box, you get your manual.
Okay.
It comes in so many languages, up to 20 or more languages.
Oh, okay.
We have English, French, we have Dutch, we have Italy.
So automatically, if you every country you can get to read it.
Every country. Then in the box itself, we have USB cable.
Okay.
USB cable for charging. We have your holder too.
Okay.
We have your battery as well.
Can we see the battery wall?
Yes, you can see the battery.
Okay.
This is how the battery looks like.
Wow. Very portable.
Very portable and durable.
I think the whole camera itself is very portable.
It likes lungs too. This is the handle too for holding it up. Fix it. We get back to that one. But for now, we are focusing on the camera.
Okay.
And this is the main camera.
Wow. This looks very small and handy.
Very small and handy. Very durable as well. So we have the camera here too. So it comes in a package like this.
Okay.
Nicely packaged. We put this one aside and focus on the camera.
Wow. I think I love this texture. It looks very smooth and
You can trust GoPro for that one.
wow.
Yeah. With the camera, we have the power button. Here. We have the microphone too here.
Okay.
The microphone
Okay.
here. So inside this place is where you find the SD card, the battery, and the charging ports also. I have already purchased my SD card, so it doesn't come with an SD card. In case you are wondering whether it comes with an SD card, it doesn't. You just insert your SD card, and this is how the battery goes inside. The battery goes inside like this, where the LEDs are, the terminals are. You need to insert the terminals first. like that. Then close it gently. But make sure when you are closing it, you don't see any red thing here. Other than that, when you are swimming in water, water can go inside. So close it slowly but firmly, like that. Now you see, you can't see any red button there. This is what you get when you unbox your GoPro Hero 11. Ready for action. Thank you guys.
So thank you for staying tuned on this episode. Alright, so the next episode we're going to show you why exactly you need this GoPro Hero 11 and why you should choose this camera over every camera. Stay tuned and see us on the next episode. Peace out.